Welcome to e-learning classes. This is your life skill period and we are doing revision of lesson number 1, that is the broken pot. In this we have done revision of question answer. Now today in this video we will do revision of fill in the blanks and true false. So students, go through the video and after that I will give questions or fill up and true false according to this, which you have to do and submit in your class. Lesson number 1, the broken pot. Today we will do revision of fill in the blanks and true false. In our previous video we have done revision of question answer. Now today we will do fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one is, one of the two pots had a dash in it. The man water bearer had two pots. One pot had a crack in it. So the answer is crack. One of the two pots had a crack in it. Second is, the cracked pot was ashamed of its own dash. Cracked pot was ashamed of its flaw. So the correct answer is imperfection. The cracked pot was ashamed of its own imperfection. Third is, the water bearer felt sorry for the old dash pot. The cracked pot was ashamed of its own imperfection, and so he said he apologized to the water bearer for its own flaw. The water bearer felt sorry for the old cracked pot. The answer is cracked pot. The water bearer felt sorry for the old cracked pot. Fourth is, the cracked pot noticed the sun warming the beautiful wild dash. Correct answer is flowers. When the cracked pot was ashamed of its own flaw, the water bearer showed him flowers which were grown. Those plants were grown by the leakage or by the watering of the cracked pot unknowingly. So the answer is, the cracked pot noticed the sun warming the beautiful wild flowers. After this we will do revision of true false. Write T for true and F for false. First one is, the cracked pot was proud of itself. Is it true? No, this one is false, because the cracked pot was ashamed of itself. So this is false. Right? F for false. Second one is, the perfect pot often smirked at the cracked pot. Is it true? Yes, this is true. The perfect pot often laugh at the cracked pot or give a smile at the cracked pot, make it ashamed. So this one is true. Third is, the cracked pot apologized to the bearer. Is it true? Yes, this one is true, because when the cracked pot knew its imperfection and he was ashamed for not being able to carry full water to the water bearer, so it was ashamed of itself and it apologized to the bearer. So it is true. Write T for true. Fourth one is, the cracked pot watered the flower seed unknowingly. Is it true? Yes, this is true, because the water pot never knew that the flowers which were grown, which were at the along the path, when it was carried by the water bearer, unknowingly the leakage of the water, leakage of the pot watered the flower, the seeds, flower seeds. So this one is true. First one is, the cracked pot was proud of itself. False. Second is, the perfect pot often smirked at the cracked pot. This is true. The cracked pot apologized to the bearer. This one is true. Fourth is, the cracked pot watered the flowers seed unknowingly. This one is also true. So students, you have to learn these two exercises, and after this I will give some exercises to do in the class group, for as a revision, which you have to do in your copy and submit your copy in the class group. So learn these 2 exercises. In our next video, we will do revision of some more exercises. Thank you.